Welcome to the greetings video of CliperVolume. After you downloading our plugin from Fab Store and placing it inside your project, you need to enable it under Edit, Plugins. You can type Clipper to top to filter that easily, and you will see CliperVolume in here. You can enable it with the checkbox in here. After you enabling it, the engine may require you to restart your editor. You can restart your editor to see CliperVolume running. After you enable and restart your engine, there is some changes on your editor. Let's see them. As first, on Windows, you will see new subsection called CliperVolume. In here, we can open documentation or material patch. Documentation is our in-engine documentation. You can fast glance in here. Also, there's a material patch. It's a detailed concept. We will go in depth later on. Also, CliperVolume has a primitive called CliperVolume. You can drag and drop it to your scene from Add Panel. This Add Panel is just a shortcut that you can drag and drop under Content Browser. To see that, you need to go Plugins, CliperVolume, Blueprints, and BB CliperVolume is here. You can drag and drop that too. These are the same, and there's a shortcut in Add menu. After dropping your first volume, you can make all the settings, all the configuration of it under Details window, docked into your engine. There is a CliperVolume subcategory in here. We will make various configuration in later videos. Another change in your editor, in project settings. You can go edit project settings, and in here, go scroll down. You will see plugins category. Under it, you can see CliperVolume. Click CliperVolume. We can make various settings for our plugin project wide in here. This was all for greetings video. We will continue exploring our features later on. Thanks.